Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to hide zeros. Now in my scenario, I'm linking to this table over here, and where I'm linking to blank cells, I'm getting a 0. I want to hide those zeros. Now probably the easiest way to do this is to go to File and then Options at the bottom there, go to Advanced, scroll down until you see display options for this worksheet. So down here you'll see an option show a 0 in cells that have a 0 value. So that is ticked by default. All you need to do is untick it, click on OK, and the zeros disappear. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.